Now the topic is Maxwell's corrections to Ampere circuit law and displacement current. So we can use here Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction statement. So from Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction, he says that by changing the magnetic field, electric field is produced. So don't forget that by changing the magnetic field, electric field is produced. And the equation is integral of E vector dot dl vector could be equal to minus dou by dou t of phi b. That could be equal to minus dou by dou t of, by expanding this phi b, integral of b vector dot ds vector. This E vector is nothing but electric field. This phi b is nothing but magnetic flux. This dou by dou t is nothing but partial derivative with respect to time, right? So integral of E vector dot dl vector, it is nothing but electric field is induced along the loop. That could be equal to this dou by dou t of phi b is nothing but varying the magnetic flux. That could be equal to this dou by dou t of phi integral b vector or ds vector is nothing but changing the magnetic flux enclosed by the surface. So whenever used to change the magnetic flux, electric field is induced. This is equation number 1, right? Say for example, here we change the magnetic flux, electric field is produced, right? Say for example, when you change the electric field, magnetic field will be produced or not? The answer is yes, because Maxwell shows that by changing the electric field, magnetic field is produced. How it is? Then the equation is integral of b vector dot dl vector could be equal to minus dou by dou t of phi e. That could be equal to minus dou by dou t of, by expanding this phi e, integral of E vector dot dA vector. E vector dot dA vector. This B vector is nothing but magnetic field. This phi is nothing but electric flux, right? So B vector or dl vector is magnetic field is induced along the loop. That could be equal to varying the electric flux. That could be equal to changing the electric flux enclosed by the loop, right? So whenever we use to change the electric flux, magnetic field is induced. This equation, it was given by Maxwell's. So this law is nothing but Maxwell's laws of induction. This is equation number 2, right? So from Faraday's concept, he said that by changing the magnetic flux, electric field is produced. From Maxwell's concept, he says that by changing the electric flux, magnetic field is produced.